third of a cup of cream, 2 teaspoons of tarragon vinegar, not great on the weight thing, but tarragon vinegar, a cup of mayonnaise. So I make this dressing in advance, and then it's ready. Everything's on the grill. It's ready to go. This has to be inside. Should be about right. Lots of salt and pepper. It's a dressing, so it's really well seasoned. Pepper. And just roll it up in food processor. Just curly nice like this, or made something like this is my garden. After that's in the store. The key is to make sure they're really dry, and then the dressing really sticks to it. These are really big. I can't get them in the spin dryer, so when I make one, just take a clean white kitchen towel, put them right in the middle, pull the corners up, just like this, and you make yourself a spin dryer. Just steer clear. And it gets all the water out. And then the dressing sticks to it. Nice, gorgeous dry onions. So instead of pulling all the leaves off, I'm actually going to do this. I'm just going to cut one more. Let's see which one. I like the curly one, so I'm going to start with that. Just take the bottom of this off. And just cut the whole thing in half. Make sure it's nice and clean. And just put a big piece of lettuce on the cut. And then this one is like and then I've got the tomatoes. And I'll just put in orange ones and really gorgeous heirloom tomatoes. Just a couple of big slices. I don't have to use the cutting tomatoes like this. This great flavor. So I'm going to do 2 slices of